PPP update. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you are new to the channel, of course you guys gotta like and subscribe. That way you guys are in tune with the latest and greatest information. It is October. I really wish everybody is having an amazing month. As always, I will be doing a giveaway at the end of the month, so make sure you guys like and subscribe. Now today we're going to be talking about smart biz, PPP loan updates, what exactly is going on, and a lot of people was questioning the smart biz. So let me know in the comment section if you guys got smart biz or use smart biz. I'm not 110% too familiar with it, but I know a little something about it. So yeah, let me know in the comment section if you guys are still waiting to get forgiven, or are you guys just like, forget this PPP loan, let me know what's going on, because I will try my best to help you guys and point you guys in the right direction. So as always, let's get right to this. This was a member of my channel. They began to say who used smart biz and got forgiven. Let me know in the comment section as well if you use smart biz and you've already got forgiven. If not, hopefully this can help you guys or give you guys a little update. Now they begin to say I applied for my forgiveness with the smart biz back in July and I haven't heard anything back yet. When I try to use the SBA portal, it says they haven't registered yet for direct forgiveness, and when I log into the website, it doesn't show me anything from my forgiveness application. It doesn't even let you log into the forgiveness portal. The sign up / sign in boxes are grayed out, so how am I supposed to check my status? I received my loan through Blue Ridge, by the way. So there have been a lot of different companies out there where you could get lenders from. I'm not too familiar with Blue Ridge. Haven't really heard too much about Blue Ridge, but it does look like a lot of people have been using Blue Ridge. Now let me know if you use Blue Ridge in the comment section. Like I said, let me know where you guys stand, because I know tons and tons of people was questioning this. They was questioning Blue Ridge. If it was legit or not. And as always, I try to give you guys some good information as well. So yeah, they begin to say I did. My bank was Customers Bank. I've had Blue Ridge Bank. Sadly, they've been disorganized since the beginning. But when did you apply? Because now I'm on the Smart Biz website trying to log into their forgiveness portal, and they're not even giving access to that. So hopefully by now, you guys can go to the SBA portal. You guys can go to, there is a government portal that you guys could actually go to and check up on those funds or check up on the forgiveness. It will give you updated statuses, but I know it should be easier. You should be able to just go to your lender, go to their portal, get it updated. Of course, it shouldn't be that easy, right? It definitely should be that easy, but we all know things really don't play out the way that it does. We all know it doesn't. It's never that easy, right? It's never, okay, I got a question or I got a concern, let me just look this up, find an answer. Especially when you deal with the government. We all know how the government, they can prolong things. We talked about taxes, other things like that, and we know how the government can actually prolong tons and tons of things to the point where it kind of makes you not even want to do anything with the government or deal with the government. But at the end of the day, you also have to deal with the government. So it's just one of those things, right? Somebody said, I believe you need to get the forgiveness through the entity that funded you. If it was Blue Ridge, go through them. The SBA pays them back once you are approved for forgiveness. So there you have it, and as he said, you want to go to whoever obviously your lender is, but get as much information as possible, because you hear places like Blue Ridge and then you can't find a phone number. You know, I'm hearing people who don't have phone numbers for WOMPLY, don't have phone numbers for WOMPLY, WOMPLY or Harvest, and it could make it difficult to actually 110% get things forgiven when you don't even have a contact number. You know, you don't even have a contact number. Let's see what somebody else said. Well, the funding bank was Blue Ridge, but the actual website is smartbiz.com, and I already applied from them since July 23rd. There was no update, so I go check the website and they're not even letting people log in. So I just wanted to see if anyone else would use who used this lender got their forgiveness approved, and nobody really else commented on this, you know, so that's why I'm leaving the comment section open. Let me know where you guys stand, especially when it comes to PPP loans. Are you still waiting? Are you in a process? Is it, you know, I mean, what's your process when it comes down to this PPP loan? As always, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. I will try my best to give you guys the best information as possible. Let me know in the comment section how you guys feel. As always,
she says Kim Singh liked to brag about her political connections, especially with Attorney General Keith Ellison.
So you must have figured you got in with a baller.
Exactly, yeah.
That this was someone who was
the real deal, yeah.
The real deal and making things happen.
Yeah.
But only 2 weeks into the job, she learned Global Medical Services, with about 26 employees, wasn't making payroll. Some of her coworkers hadn't been paid in 4 months. She had a young daughter to take care of. She couldn't do that.
What did you make of that?
Well, I was pretty shocked. I guess that was nothing.
The embassies were supposed to send us $2 million before Eid, and they didn't.
Kim Singh claimed Saudi Arabia owed her nearly $2 million. The United Arab Emirates, nearly $500,000. And payments were due from Qatar and Kuwait as well. But Singh, she thought, wasn't showing much compassion for her unpaid employees.
They choose to stay, and yet they're getting angry about it, which is fine.
Well, I mean, it's understandable that they would get angry if they're falling behind on their mortgage and their car payment and they don't have health insurance.
Find another job. Find another job.
Kim, the legal implications, too, of not paying employees are huge.
But Kim Singh already knew that, because she failed to pay 35 employees of 2 previous companies she ran, Premier Diagnostic Imaging and Minnesota Medical Imaging. The Department of Labor suing her and fining her more than $20,000.
I'm certain I'm not the only person that she has kind of screwed over, and there's got to be a long list of people in front of me and behind me that this is happening to.
Kim Singh is also facing lawsuits, like the one from Denise Petrica, who runs a small travel agency in Eau Claire. Kim Singh called and said the company was looking for a new travel agency and booked an extravagant business trip to Hong Kong. The bill was $29,000, and she hasn't seen a dime.
Honestly, right about now, that $28,000, $30,000, I mean, that's the matter of me being able to be open another few months.
Global Medical Services is also being sued for fraud by MD Capital, a finance company that purchased GMS's invoices for $4.3 million.